I got this device key broken. Can't move it up and down with a broken key. And there's our key right there. Should be fairly simple to take it out. You try to yank on it with a tweezer or something, or?
No.
No?
No, I was trying to get the wheelchair on.
Oh, gotcha.
And it just, one of the arms rammed into it. And
Oh, the wheelchair.
The wheelchair got away from me. And
Oh, no. I'm trying to do it one-handed so I can put it on the video, but... It's not turned at all, huh?
I don't think so.
Okay, because it won't come out if it's turned. We have to have it in the right
This
position.
Is what
the other half?
the other half.
It's a very tight little fit in there.
Little
All right, hang on. Let me get something else. I think it looks easier than it is, you know? Let's see. Oh, it doesn't grab it at all. Have another couple other plans if we need to. All right, guys, I think we got it.
Wow. Little demon key.
Yeah. Was it in upside down? No, huh?
No.
Let me see that. Just because if you don't have this key and then you, like if the other one broke too, you'd be really...
Well, my lesson learned is I pull the key out before I try to get the wheelchair back on it.
Yeah, that's a good idea, yeah. But let me try to make you another one just
Thank
so
you.
you have a spare. There is a code on her key, so I'm going to do it right off that code. As long as I have the blank, and I think I do. All right, we're going to put that code in, A533, look it up. There's a lot of options. A lot of options. But we need a single-sided so we can narrow it down a little bit. And then we got... It's not a mailbox. It's not an art device. It's kind of none of these. Maybe, let's see what the cuts are.